Yellow, hello. Welcome back. I am absolutely hopeless, you know me. I can't go a whole week without at least a little quickie video. Okay, so today I'm going to do a quiche Lorainne. I've got all the stuff I need to use up and I thought this is perfect. It's quick and easy. So quiche Lorainne originated in the area of Lorainne in France. That's where it gets its name from. Thought that was pretty cool. Okay, first thing we want to do is preheat our ovens to 180 degrees Celsius. We want to get out 2 sheets of frozen puff pastry and thaw them out. Now, because I'm doing this quick easy one, I love using my square cake tins, but you can absolutely do it with any tin you want. Okay, so one we leave whole and the other one we just slice into 4. Don't have to be too literal with it. Okay, get our pan. Put our whole one in the bottom first. Make sure you push all the corners down. Okay, get our strips. I'll put the dry edges down the bottom and start at the bottom and just press them in. And just like that, our pastry case is done. So you just leave them all standing up like that, okay? Put it aside for a sec. Now you either need 3 long rashers of bacon, or I'm just going to use 6 tops and 1 brown onion, and we're going to chop them up really small. Now we want to fry them up until they're all nice and cooked, and then set it aside to cool down. Once the bacon and onion is cooled down, you want to get a bowl. You want to put 3 large eggs or 6 small eggs in there. Grab yourself a whisk out. Alright, we want to put half a cup of milk in. I'll write the recipe below as always. And if you want to make your own pastry, I'll write the recipe below for that and the instructions how to make your own pastry. But if you're going to do your own pastry, you're better off using a flan or a cake tin that you can remove the sides from. Okay, so half a cup of milk, 3/4 of a cup of any cheese you can get your hands on grated. We want 300 mils of cream. At this stage you can put a little bit of salt in if you want, but I don't worry about the salt because the bacon is salty enough. Now whisk it all up. Once our bacon and onion is cooled down enough, chuck it in the bottom. Give our cream mix a little whisk again. Pour it all in there. Oh yeah, baby. In there, optional, is a cracker pepper. Very optional, you don't have to, you don't want to, but I absolutely love it with a cracker pepper. Okay, now we're just going to fold the ends in a little bit, like leave them up high still, but just fold them in. Push the corners in tight to each other. Okay, once they're all done, I'll just get my finger in and just rub it all over the pastry. Into our preheated oven, just like that, and I will tell you in a second exactly how long it took in my electric oven. 45 minutes later in my electric oven. Ooh. Now we'll leave it sit there for 5 minutes, just till it all sinks down. Okay, now we just get one of these thingies and loosen up the sides. How quick and simple is this one, my friends? Alright, so the way I do it is I put a plate over, grab the tea towel, slide it, flip it, put it into the middle, grab another plate, put it on top, flip it over, take her off. Beautiful! Oh, yum, look at that crunchy pastry, that beautiful stuff. To be fancy, just stick a little bit of parsley on there. Now, I would normally make this, sometimes we just eat it on its own. Other times I'll cut it up, put it on the plate with some salad and chips if I didn't have anything else and I want to make it as a main meal. There we have it, my friends. Quiche Lorainne. Get a bit of that into you. Oh, look at that. That's why I love doing that roll over bit of pastry. Because, oh, mate, why wouldn't you? Oh, yeah, baby. Get a bit of that into you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Damn camera. Have yourselves an awesome day. You know me. I'll be back. Bye.